Hello everyone. Today, we will draw an island. Take a pencil and a ruler and draw a horizontal line for the ocean. Add a curve for the island. Draw a curved line for the big palm tree. Add a little circle at the end and draw two curves to complete the leaf shape. Draw two curves for the side leaves. Add little circles at the ends, and complete the leaves with two more curves. Repeat this process for the leaves hanging down. Add two curves for the trunk, make it narrower towards the top. Add some curves to divide the trunk. Draw the other palm tree in the same way. Draw the bushes with a big curve and little curves on top. Take a black marker and trace your drawing. Make sure you don't draw the help lines. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. We can color the island yellow, light green, brown, and dark green. Make the ocean blue-green, and the sky light blue. Finally, take a dark blue marker and draw the reflection in the water. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.